Did you know that Mannlicher's factory in Belgium produces 20 barrier drapes or sets every single minute? That's the power of automation combined with dedication to excellence. Our fully automated factory encompasses the entire production process, all within a total area of 70,000 square meters. Curious to learn more about where innovation meets the highest quality standards, meets sustainability in surgical draping solutions, right here in the heart of Europe? Look no further than AVAILABE in Belgium. In this virtual factory tour of our cutting-edge facility, you can see production in action for our top-of-the-line barrier drapes, sets, and table covers. And that's just the beginning. Our AVAILABE facility is more than just a factory. It's also the distribution hub for many other Mannlicher products, boasting an impressive storage capacity of 45,000 cubic meters. This all-in-one location ensures efficiency and convenience for our customers. Now let's start to explore the production process. From the moment raw materials enter the production line, we employ stringent quality control measures and at every step of our manufacturing process to ensure that our materials and products meet our rigorous criteria for excellence. In the factory, it all starts with lamination. Our current lamination capacity stands at 2.9 million running meters per week, equivalent to 150 million meters a year. To put it into perspective, that's nearly 4 times the circumference of the Earth. Mannlicher is committed to providing high-quality drapes and sets that ensure the safety, security, and comfort of both patients and surgical staff. We perform pre-contamination tests on machines, surfaces, and even the air. Before raw materials are released for production, we conduct thorough quality checks. Sampling tests are carried out at each stage of the manufacturing process. Visual control, lamination strength tests, and impermeability tests are conducted at every stage to guarantee the utmost quality. When it's time to package our products, all the necessary variables and UDI barcoding are in line, printed on 3 packaging levels. This ensures traceability and accountability. As a forward-thinking company, we take a stand for sustainability. Among other things, this means not only reducing reliance on materials made from fossil fuels, reducing our CO2 emissions, and optimizing resource use, but also actively reducing waste wherever we can, committing to sustainability certifications, and verifying our sustainability-oriented actions to achieve measurable improvements. Mannlicher continuously innovates to offer sustainable solutions without compromising on safety or quality. For example, substituting traditional plastic with a renewable bio-based polymer when possible has the potential to make a big difference to our sustainability commitments. We have successfully reduced the consumption of plastic film used to protect non-sterile mayo stand covers by 27%. Additionally, new compression techniques in packaging allows us to pack more products per box, ultimately reducing CO2 emissions throughout the entire logistics flow. Our in-house sterilization unit utilizes beta sterilization and has a daily processing capacity of 250 cubic meters. Once the production process is complete, our products find their place in our expansive 45,000 cubic meters warehouse. From here, they embark on their journey to customers across Europe and beyond. We aim to minimize transport distance through direct shipments and leveraging our warehouses strategically. Barrier drapes are also shipped to our factory in the Czech Republic to be integrated into our Mannlicher Procedure Pack offer. Procedure Pack adoption enables further waste reduction and improves efficiency at the hospital or facility level. As a responsible manufacturer, we are committed to improving and proving our sustainable credentials through important industry certification standards, such as ISCC and FSC. Currently, 11% of our drape and set assortments manufactured in AVAILABE is ISCC certified, and we aim to grow this number. ISCC certification, the most widely recognized sustainability certification scheme, falls within our commitment to reducing CO2 emissions throughout the supply chain and making better use of natural resources. we undergo annual audits to maintain this certification. Moreover, in the AVAILABE factory, all our packaging, retailer boxes and transport boxes are proudly FSC certified, ensuring responsible sourcing. Thank you for joining us on this virtual factory tour. We hope you enjoyed seeing our commitment to high-quality products and sustainability come to life, all from the heart of Europe. Reach out to Mannlicher to learn more.